Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials. You have an Azure subscription, a Windows VM, and proper RBAC to manage the VM. Once confirmed, find the VM's public IP or ensure Azure Bastion or VPN is prepared. Make sure the network security group and the VM's Windows firewall allow inbound TCP 3389. Start in the Azure portal, select the VM, and open the Connect pane so you can retrieve the RDP file or start Bastion. This is the first actionable step to initiate a remote session. Once done with network checks, go to the VM's Connect menu. If you have a public IP, download the RDP file or copy the IP address. If using Azure Bastion, choose Connect in Browser. Next, launch the RDP file or open the Windows Remote Desktop Client and paste the IP. Enter the VM credentials, use local account password or Azure AD credential depending on your setup, and accept the certificate warning if this is a new VM. This completes the middle execution and creates a secure session. You're nearly finished. Once logged in, install updates and verify RDP settings and user permissions for ongoing access. If the connection fails, make sure the VM is running, confirm the public IP or DNS name, and recheck NSG and Windows firewall rules for TCP 3389. If still blocked, use Azure's Serial Console or the VM boot diagnostics to inspect system logs. You may need to redeploy the VM or reset the network interface. A key troubleshooting tip: check the VM agent and extensions first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.